Hello students, today we'll see Maths 2 Practice Set 3.5 question number 1. I'll read question for you. You all pay attention in your textbook page number 47. Question is, if triangle XYZ similar to triangle LMN, write the corresponding angles of two triangles and also write the ratios of corresponding sides. So now for this, how to write? See, solution. Question number 1, solution. So here two triangles are given, that is triangle XYZ similar to triangle LMN. So question is, write the corresponding. So we'll write the corresponding angles. So angle X is congruent to angle L. Angle X congruent to angle L. Similarly, angle Y is congruent to angle M. Angle Z congruent to angle N. Now they said also write the ratio of ratios of corresponding sides. So corresponding sides are, see, XY is upon LM. XY upon LM equal to YZ upon MN. MN equal to XZ upon LN. XZ upon LN. So this way you have to write the first answer. Here you can give the reason, that is CSST, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles, and for this you can give the reason CAST, corresponding congruent angles of similar triangles. So this way you have to solve. Now let's see question number 2. I'll read question for you. Triangle XYZ. XY is given 4 cm, YZ is given 6 cm, XZ is given 5 cm. If triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR and PQ is given 8 cm, then find the length of the remaining sides of triangle PQR. So let's see how to solve. So first they have given triangles are similar. So we'll write triangle XYZ similar to triangle PQR. And just now we have seen that the ratios are proportion. So we'll write, therefore XY upon PQ equal to YZ upon QR equal to XZ upon PR. Why? Because CSST. Now the given values, will write it here. See, XY is given 4 cm. So in the place of XY I'll write 4 upon PQ is given 8. So in the place of PQ we'll write 8 equal to YZ is given 6 upon QR we have to find, and XZ is given 5 and we have to find PR. So now when we are solving this type of the sums, you have to take any two ratios, that is I'll take first two ratios, that is 4 upon 8 equal to 6 upon QR. Now let's see the cross multiplication will do, that is 6 into 8 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8 and 6 twos are 12. So QR is equal to 12. Unit is given centimeter. So QR is equal to 12 centimeter. Next is, again we'll take 4 upon 8 first ratio and last ratio to find PR. Let's do the cross multiplication. So PR is equal to 8 into 5 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are, so 5 twos are 10. So 10 centimeter. And do the box here, highlight here. Therefore, write down, therefore the lengths of remaining sides of triangle PQR, in that we have got QR 12 centimeter and length of PR equal to 10 centimeter. So this way you have to write the answer according to the question. Now let's see the next sum. Now let's see question number 3. I'll read question for you. Draw a sketch of a pair of similar triangles. Label them. Show their corresponding angles by the same signs. Show the lengths of corresponding sides by numbers in proportion. So here we can draw any two similar triangles. So now let's see how to draw. So here I'll take the, see, roughly you have to draw, no need of taking the actual measurement. So suppose here if I take any length, you can take. If I give the name of the triangle ABC, and let's see, this is suppose 3 centimeter, this is suppose 4 centimeter, and this is suppose 5 centimeter. Next triangle I'll take with the measurement they said. I'll draw it down here. Here you don't have to show the actual measurement, but show it properly. So suppose this is P, Q, R 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So this way if I take the measurement, they said according to the question, draw a sketch of a pair of similar triangles. So I have drawn already. Label them, so we'll label it now. Show their corresponding angles. So ABC and PQR, these are the labels. Show their corresponding angles by the same sign. So here this A is A and P, same angle. So here I'll use this identical marks. For B, I'll use the another one identical mark. B is congruent to Q. And for C, I'll use a sign like this. You can use anything which you like. So this is the identical mark. So C is congruent to R. Show the lengths of corresponding sides by numbers in proportion. So these are the numbers and they are proportion. How to get? 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. And if we get the ratios are in proportion. So you can show here triangle similar to triangle PQR. So we'll take AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to BC upon QR. And if you find all the ratios, each and every ratio equal to 1 upon 2. So this is the sum. Also you can show the angles, that is angle A, angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, angle C congruent to angle R, CSST, CAST. So this way you have to write the reason. So see students, these are the 3 sums from practice set 3.5. Study it properly. Thank you.